The hydrofoil is making a comeback and it's being used in more watercraft than you think. The concept of a flying yacht or a hydrofoil is nothing new. It's been around for over a century.
This is a hydrofoil. She is the descendant of a concept more than 75 years old. But because of modern technology, she now has a bright future in the United States Navy.
But the technology is now being incorporated in more yachts more than ever. Aquila is the example of this.
We saw an opportunity to make an already great boat even better by adding a foil assist to it.
The efficiency that it gives when powering through the water with less of the hull in the water is the way forward. There's simply just less drag.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Well, hello yacht fans. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. The foiler. A cutting-edge yacht that's equipped to the highest standards and offers an unparalleled experience on the water. In this video, we will dive into the specifications, cost of ownership, production details, and more about the foiler company. So let's get started.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Whether you're after family fun, thrill-seeking adventures, or that James Bond appeal, foiler is not just an ordinary yacht, it's a flying yacht. This futuristic vessel is designed to suit your needs. Well, it's not just about performance. The foiler, well, look at it, it's gorgeous. It just oozes luxury, and you've got to have the mega bucks to buy one. She's got a huge amount of deck space to relax on, to entertain on, and a plush seating, cutting edge sound system and navigation system, and the interior can be customized to basically however big your bank balance is. So, you know, if you can afford it, why the hell not? Well, if you're a top G show-off, then this is the boat for you. But it comes with a hefty price tag of $850,000. But hey, what's that? It's pocket change. Yeah. But depending on the customization level, you can go to well above $1 million. So yeah, it's still pocket change. The foiler has twin V8 diesel engines with a total of 740 horsepower. She can reach a total of 40 knots when she's planing on the foils. Her torpedo design makes her 40% more efficient than a regular boat. The foiler is manufactured by a company called ENATA. ENATA is a pioneering company in the UAE that specialises in creating innovative marine solutions. The company's mission is to push boundaries of what's possible on the water, and the foiler is a testament to their commitment to excellence. Well, I'll be back soon with some more videos, but I do hope you enjoyed this one. So if you liked it, please hit the like button, please subscribe and hit the little bell button, and thank you for watching. See you again soon.
Got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do?